Craving fresh, zesty salsa that beats store-bought? Watch this to make your own in minutes. Feast your eyes on these juicy tomatoes, homegrown from our garden and a gift from my friend's mom. Rinse them well under cool water and are ready for a salsa that is sure to impress. Now, let's grab a crisp onion. Time to build that salsa flavor. Next, our homegrown garden salsa peppers for a mild kick. Spicy jalapenos for heat, and Mrs. Wage's mild salsa mix from Tyson's to tie it all together. Now we're cleaning these tomatoes, cutting out any bad spots to get them perfect for boiling. That's a trick to easily peel off the skins for a smooth salsa. Look at my mother-in-law. So focus, making every slice count. This process isn't just about great salsa, it's about quality time with family. Working side by side with her, sharing laughs, and creating something delicious. It's moments like these we cherish forever. This is a family endeavor captured forever in this video. It's so special. Making homemade salsa together builds memories that last a lifetime. It's not just the tasty payoff at the end, it's the love and connection we share. These are the times we'll always hold dear, doubling the joy with rewarding tasks like this. Now let's get that water to a rolling boil. Nice and steady. Carefully place the tomatoes in one by one to avoid splashing that hot water on yourself. Safety first. Once they're in, keep a close eye on them. Boil as briefly as possible, just until the skins start to split. Too long, and you'll lose that irreplaceable garden fresh tomato flavor you can't find in stores. Plus some of those precious nutrients. Short and sweet is the key. Then, quickly transfer them to a bowl of cold water. That shock makes peeling the skins off a breeze, setting us up perfectly for the next step in our salsa making adventure. Here we are with tomatoes chilling in cold water, perfect for peeling. Now I'm peeling these beauties and the skins just slide right off. But the real magic, that's my 5-year-old daughter, Mary. Spending this precious time with her is pure joy for me. She had so much fun peeling these tomatoes. I had to mute the sound on this video, but let me tell you, she was narrating the whole time. And at one moment, she had me laughing real hard as I edited this. What she said was, peeling them is so satisfying, and she is so right. There's something therapeutic about peeling tomatoes. It grounds you, connecting you to your roots. The homesteading lifestyle, getting your hands dirty like this, is what makes life special. Making salsa isn't just about a delicious end result. It's about creating memories of family, sharing this with our neighborhood, friends, and community. These moments fill our souls, make it every peel worth it, knowing we're crafting something to share and cherish forever. Now we're on to garden onions. How lucky are we to have these fresh from our own backyard? I'm using a slicer here to get quick, uniform cuts, then switching to my knife to chop them just the way we like it for salsa. This step takes a bit, but honestly, I wouldn't change it. It's so therapeutic. Just me and the rhythm of chopping. A good cutting board is key, but the real star, this incredible knife from a local custom knife maker. It's a lifesaver, slicing everything from these onions to cucumbers, tomatoes, even splitting squash or watermelons in half with ease. We use it every single day, and it's so well made, it barely needs sharpening. Trust me, invest in a knife like this. You will not regret it. Even my mother-in-law was so impressed, she got one too, along with a few others for her kitchen. Now, on the same board, I'm slicing a jalapeno for that perfect salsa kick. So I tried blending the onions. Didn't work out great, but the juice is still usable. Now the tomatoes, they blend in seconds. Just tap the blender button lightly. No need to hold it. This keeps some chunkiness, which we love. I learned quick. Overblending makes it too smooth. If I did it again, I'd blend even less. But no worries. Everyone loved our salsa. You'll get the hang of it when you try it yourself. Now, everything's in the pot, including our special touch. And just an FYI, all the ingredients will be in the description below. Our ground garden salsa peppers from our garden were dehydrated for that perfect flavor punch. We're mixing it all together, stirring consistently to blend those spices in. I kept the heat at medium at the highest, slowly bring it to boil. Patience is key. The aroma, absolutely unbelievable. Now I let it simmer gently, and this recipe is pure magic. Salsa never lasts long in our house. Time lets the flavor melt in, but it's delicious right away as well. The homesteading life, crafting food from scratch, it's so rewarding. Want to make it your own? Add corn, beans, and even fruit like peach or pineapple, whatever you love. It'll be amazing. If you enjoyed this, please hit that like button and subscribe. It means the world to us to share this journey with you.